Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet is the
Dr. Doreen is an expert in autism.
Doreen Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet is a visionary in the field of autism. Now you can ask her questions on Ask Dr. Doreen. All right, we're almost out of time. I want to squeeze in at least one or two more questions. Can I ask? My daughter has now been given a diagnosis with PDA as well as autism. Do you know anything about this?
I do not know what PDA stands for.
I'm thinking they probably mean PDD, NOS.
Maybe.
Right.
But PDD-NOS is kind of an older diagnosis, which stands for pervasive developmental disorder not otherwise specified. That's the NOS. And essentially all that means is sort of a higher functioning autism.
And if they've gotten an autism diagnosis since then the autism diagnosis would sort of override that, right?
I mean, yes. It makes no sense to say PDD anymore.
Got it. But that other parent wrote in and said that the PDA stands for Pathological Demand Avoidance.
Well, we all avoid demands. I'll just put it that way. So, and if it's pathological, then basically it means that the person is perhaps either overreacting or is either out of reacting to things that are not necessarily there. So I do not know enough about this term. And if it is anxiety related, then I would definitely suggest some of the anxiety treatments, but also, anything that has to do with demand avoidance should be dealt with behavioral therapy, which has to do with not allowing the thing to be avoided. But yeah, I'm afraid I don't know enough about it to give you advice.
All right. Well, unfortunately, we're out of time and we have to let Dr. Grand-Pichet go, but I just want to thank you. And somebody else wrote in and said their heartfelt thanks as well, Dr. Grand-Pichet, for being here and being with us. Hey, thanks for watching Autism Live. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.